A child may dream of building a prototype, but without even basic resources for millions, education remains out of reach. Hello everyone, my name is Anshika Agarwal and I am working to change that. Through my initiative ReBotics, I teach robotics to NGO children using waste materials like cardboard, plastic bottles, and discarded electronics. But this is not just about building robots, it is about redefining what education looks like. Traditional robotics education depends on expensive kits, making it inaccessible to those who need it most. So I asked a simple question: what if innovation didn't require money, only curiosity and creativity? In our workshops, children transform waste into working models, robotic hands, moving toys, and simple machines, while learning circuits, mechanics, and problem solving. But the real impact goes beyond technical skills. I have seen students who once believed science is not for me begin to see themselves as innovators. This directly supports SDG 4 quality education by making learning inclusive, hands on, and accessible. At the same time, it promotes sustainability by turning waste into powerful education resource. In the past 8 months, I have impacted over 50 students and conducted 20 plus workshops, demonstrating that this model is effective and replicable. My vision is to scale robotics into a low cost, globally adaptable learning model for NGOs and schools. Because education should not depend on what you can afford, but on what you are capable of creating. And sometimes all a child needs is a piece of waste to start building their future.